Finnair Airlines is a fictitious mid-sized regional airline that services over 1 million customers annually. It uses CA API management to expose APIs and web services to developers for building and maintaining a robust mobile application. It also uses CA Service Virtualization (SV) to accelerate overall software release cycle times by removing constraints throughout the software development lifecycle by modeling and simulating unavailable or dependent systems. The developers in Finnair Airlines can integrate CA API management and CASV. They would then be able to quickly select a service exposed by CA API management and virtualize it by using the WSDL file. You will need to use a jar file to integrate CA API management and CASV. The jar file contains all the required Java classes and libraries to integrate CA API management and CASV. The jar file is used to create the virtual service image from CA API management. The jar file is also required for CASV to view the available CA API management services and then select the required services as needed. You can download the file from the CA API Management Support website or write to apisupport@ca.com and request for the file. Prior to the integration of CA PIM with CASV, make sure that the Gateway Management Service is enabled, the CMT2 jar file is downloaded, the gateway is licensed and configured, the SV and gateway are able to communicate. Let's see a quick demonstration on how to integrate CA API with CASV. Before we start with the integration process, we need to enable the Gateway Management Service, so let's start by logging into the CA API Gateway Policy Manager. Now, click Tasks, then click Publish Internal Service. This launches the Publish Internal Service wizard. Select the Gateway Management Service and click Finish. Now, click the CA Dev Test workstation to start the workstation. Provide the Dev Test registry path and click OK. Specify the username and password and click Login to log into the workstation. From the File menu, select New, then select VS Image and click from Layer 7. This launches the virtual service from Layer 7 window. Provide the information that allows CASV to connect to the CA API management server. Next, click the folder icon to select the CMT2 jar file that you would have downloaded or received from to apisupport@ca.com. Click Get Layer 7 Services. This displays all the available services of CA API management. Let's select Finnair SOAP service and click Next. Enter the virtual service image file name and virtual service model file name. These files are used to create the virtual service. By default, all the operations are selected. Click Next to continue. The Response Side Data Protocols Options window is displayed. Click Next. This generates a virtual service from the provided WSDL file. Select the checkboxes Open the service image and open the generated virtual service model. This generates a service image. Now, click Finish. We can observe a virtual service model, VSM, has been generated. The service model, VSM, that was saved is a model that is deployed to the virtual service environment. This completes the integration of CA API management with CASV.